Hey everyone, welcome to Early Einsteins. My name is Miss Lorena and I'm going to show you how to make your very own bouncy ball. And what you'll need is some cornstarch, food coloring, any color you'd like. I'm choosing blue, a tablespoon, a cup with 1/8 of water. As you can see, my water's in there. And a mixing bowl that is microwavable. So you will also be putting this in the microwave, and if you need any help with that, you could always ask your parents. So I'm going to start off with my cornstarch here, and you'll need 2 tablespoons of it. And 1, this might get a little messy, and 2. Close that up. And then you want to pour your 1/8 of water in. And I'm just going to mix it with my tablespoon here. You can use a spoon or anything you'd like. And you're just going to want to mix it until you break up all the cornstarch. And then you're going to put, I'm going to put 1 drop of food coloring in just so it has some color. And mix it all up until it's evenly distributed, so it's a pretty good blue. And then you'll want to put this in the microwave for about 20 to 30 seconds. So whatever works for your microwave. You might need to try this a couple times. Miss Lorena tried it twice, so hopefully this will work out. So I'm going to go put it in the microwave. I'm going to do for 20 seconds, and I will come back and I will show you the end result. Alright, so I do want to show you my end result. It might look a little funky, but you could see that it kind of turned into like a gel-like substance, so you kind of want to scoop it up with your hands and your fingers. I know it's a little goopy, and you do want to wait definitely a little bit after taking out of the microwave because it will be hot. Alright, so kind of want to scoop up all of the excess around it and put it together. And then kind of make it look like a ball. And then you want to leave it overnight so that it can dry and stick together. So I'm going to leave it overnight and let that stick, and then turn it into a bouncy ball. Alright, so thanks everyone for tuning in. We'll see you again soon.